Welcome to Brecken to HD Science Experiment!
Yeah! I'm excited for this one, Brecken. This one is the Skittles Experiment. So what you need for this experiment is a big bag of Skittles.
Yes!
You need some warm water and then a plate. We also, if you stay to the end, we have a very exciting Rainbow Waterfall Skittles Experiment to show you. So make sure to stick around to the end. So this is an easy one. All we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the Skittles, place them all around the edge of the plate, and then we're gonna put warm water in the middle. So let's get started. First step, we're gonna put some Skittles onto the plate, and then what we're gonna do is you're going to want to put these in a rainbow. So let's do red, orange, yellow, green, and then purple. So can we do that all around the edge?
Red,
Orange, yellow. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, Brecken, is we are going to pour in this warm water into the center, and let's see what happens. You ready?
Nothing. Nothing happened.
Nothing's happening.
Yes!
Oh my goodness. Brecken, what's it doing? What do you think, buddy? Wow! It is making a cool swirl, isn't it?
How?
Wow, that is so neat. How is it doing that?
I don't know.
I think all of the sugar is getting pulled off by the warm water. That's a really neat design, isn't it? Wow, so neat. Is it touching? Wow. Is it all covered? Oh, wow. That is super cool, Brecken. Okay, Brecken, what did you think of that experiment? Was that super cool? Okay, guys, so now we have one more Skittles experiment. We're gonna try and make a waterfall rainbow. So we have this giant glass of water. We've taken this white paper towel and we just stuck it right behind here because we're gonna try and make sure you can see all of the white through here, okay? So we're gonna put that right there behind it. Now we're gonna take these Skittles and we're gonna dip them in and see what happens. We're gonna put these inside there. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nothing's happening.
Let's see if anything happens. Huh? Do you see? Do you see that?
Yes!
Oh man, Brecken, what do you
I did
think?
go in the back and see this. What in the world is happening?
What is going on? Wow, that is so cool.
This is so awesome.
Wow, Brecken, that was awesome. Did you see that waterfall? That was so cool. Hope you guys liked that at home. That was our Skittles science experiment. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like it and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about our science experiments. As well as please check out some of our other videos. Thanks for being our friends and we hope you have a great day.
Thanks for being my friend. Don't forget to leave a comment. Please hit that subscribe button.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, we are back for the 300 subscriber giveaway. Can you imagine you have 300 friends already? We're giving away a Lego Ninjago Spinjitzu. So, Brecken is gonna choose a winner of the 300 subscriber giveaway, but we also wanna say we're going to give away another secret mystery prize for our 400 subscriber giveaway. So in order to win, before we reveal the 300 subscriber giveaway, in order to be entered into the 400 subscriber giveaway, like this video, leave a comment, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. So there's 3 things you gotta do. What is that? Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. So you gotta do all 3 of those to be entered into our 400 subscriber giveaway. Now, Brecken, let's see who won our 300 subscriber giveaway. So reach on in there and let's see who it is. Ooh, let's see. This says 3D Toys for You. Congratulations, you are the winner.
Congratulations.
Good job. So that is so cool. So 3D Toys for You. Please check your inbox in your YouTube. We're gonna send you that. And if you weren't the winner for today, and check out, there's all those other names in there. If you weren't a winner for today, that's okay. Because we love having you as a subscriber and you have a chance to win our 400 subscriber giveaway. So do you remember what they have to do for a chance to win?
Be picked.
They have to be picked, that's right. They have to like
and comment down below.
That's right. So tell them they have to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell them right there. You can tell them right there. Why are you pointing at me? Why are you pointing at me? I'm pointing at you. Why are we pointing at each other? So, in order to enter the 400 subscriber giveaway, like our video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for so much being my friend. Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.